Feel what? Guys, go! Fire! Hurling, go! Attack to the... Adu, Sas! Attack to the... को अंतिम सलामी देंगे सलामी यस
Retired Wing Commander Deepak Sathe, who was also the pilot in command of the ill-fated Air India Express plane that crashed in Kerala last week, was cremated in Mumbai with state honours. Earlier in the day, the Chief Minister office had tweeted that the Maharashtra government has decided to accord a state funeral to the pilot, as his life has been one that shall inspire many more young pilots to achieve the sword of honor and command over the skies.
मैंने आज कैप्टन साठे इनको श्रद्धांजलि दे दी और मैंने ये धीर गंभीर वातावरण में मैंने देखा उनकी पत्नी, उनके बेटे, माँ बाप तो मुझे टीवी के माध्यम से मैंने देखा। बहुत ही ब्रेव लोग हैं वो, बहुत ही संयम से काम ले रहे हैं। इतना एक बेटा भी देश के लिए खो दिया, अभी दूसरा भी खो दिया, तो भी उनके मन का दुख उन्होंने मन में ही रखा है और दूसरों को आदर्श देने के लिए वो हर टाइम मोटिवेशन दे रहे हैं आने वाले पीढ़ी को। तो मुझे लगता है ऐसे फैमिली को सलामी हो सकता है।
Captain Sathe's parents, retired Colonel Vasant Sathe and his wife Neela, were present in their Chandivali home for their son's funeral. Captain Deepak Vasant Sathe was born on April 24, 1961 into a defence family. Just like his father, he and his brother Vikas also entered the defence forces. His brother joined the army while he was selected into the Indian Air Force. His father was in the Army Education Corps and taught cadets chemistry. Tragedy first struck the family when his brother Vikas died on duty in a vehicular accident in Jammu several years ago. In 1981, Captain Sathe graduated from the Air Force Academy with the Sword of Honor and got commissioned into the Indian Air Force. After a 22-year successful career, he retired as a wing commander from the Indian Air Force in 2003. About a year later, he joined Air India and initially flew the Airbus A310 as first officer. He later quit Air India and joined Air India Express few years ago. He is survived by his wife Sushma and his two sons. One works in US and the other works in Bengaluru. Both his sons were present for the funeral in Mumbai on Tuesday.
He was earlier in Air India when he joined. He joined as a first officer, and that time he has flown with us on Airbus 310. Okay, so I have personally flown with him, and more than 5 years we have been together. After that he moved on to 777, okay, as a first officer, and thereafter then he got an opportunity to take a permanent transfer into Air India Express, which is our subsidiary. So where he went there, and then he was on 737-800 aircraft where he got a command, and then he has been flying in command. It has been almost more than 4 years he has been flying in command. And prior to that he was with Air Force. He was a decorated pilot. Okay, he is a President Award. He has received a President Award, and he has been excellent student. Okay, he was in one school in Dehradun, and he has got some scholarships from the local administration from there. And his way of working was, he was quite inquisitive about certain things, and he was very knowledgeable. We can say that thorough knowledgeable, and he was a thorough gentleman and a thorough professional. Okay, and he was quite studious. Whatever studies he has done during his school, he was always outstanding.
Indeed, his life shall be an inspiration for the younger generation to come forward and join the defence forces to serve their country. With Shiva Devnath, this is Nazia Sayed for Mojo News, Mumbai.